Crafties, welcome to this video. This is a different type of video, as you all may well notice. Yeah, so today I kind of wanted to go through, I don't know, not a scapegoat, but have you guys ever followed a tutorial and it's gone super fast and you couldn't really keep up with it and you just like kind of give up and you go follow a different one? Even if that person who made the original tutorial was like your absolute favorite creator, your absolute favorite tutorial maker, they're just going too darn fast for you to keep up with. Well, yeah, okay, so I've been accused of doing the same thing and have, like, considering I've been on both sides of the tutorial follower and the tutorial maker, I can say sometimes it's a little, it's really unconscious for us who like craft on camera or do things on camera, because we've been doing it for so long, we sometimes don't realize how fast we're making, and then it depends like on the upload schedules and stuff like that, where we're like, we feel compelled to post even if it is a little fast. Some people feel like their followers are super techy and can kind of sort of follow along or do whatever they need to do to adjust the tutorial to their speed. But anyway, so that's not an excuse. It's not an excuse. We should make at a decent pace. But if we accidentally post a video that is a little quicker than need be for like beginner status, there is a way to slow down those videos even if they're already posted, and it can help you guys, you know, do what you need to do. So I think I'm gonna keep this recording while I go about this tutorial, so make sure you stick around to the end so that you can get the full gist of everything I'm about to go through. I'm going to have my screen pop up probably right about now, and I'm going to be starting off on my channel because shameless self-promo. Okay, so what I want to do is go to my videos, and I don't know, which video did I think was a little fast? Because there's a couple that I personally like went back and watched, and I'm like, oh, that's a little quick there. I'm just gonna pick one, forget it. I'm gonna go ahead and go to my spider stitch tutorial. So I'm gonna turn off the sound, and so yeah, here's this video. It's playing, and in this case it's not really going all that slow. Let me go ahead and put it in theater mode so you guys can get a better view. So I'm probably talking at this point, as I always do. Okay, yeah. So say this part is really fast for you and you know you're not able to follow along. So what you can do is come down here, you can hover over your video so that the little icons pop up at the bottom, and what you want to do is hit this settings gear. And you have all these options right here, but what you want right now is playback speed, and right now it's set to normal. So I'm going to click that, and if I'm going too fast, I can drop the speed of this video all the way down to 0.25 or 25%. So as you can see, it put at 25%, this thing is in super slow-mo. Yeah, so you know, there's that. And then if a maker that you enjoy following, they kind of talk too much, I might be included in that. You can also go about the same route, and you can increase the speed of the video up to 2 or 200%, and kind of speed through it if you don't just skip through it. Little fun fact, I learned that like skipping through the video, when you click the little bar, it really hurts analytics, which is interesting, but you know, you live, you learn. But this way you're kind of speeding through the video and watching it at the same time. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I know that sometimes, like I said, we go a little fast and we may or may not realize it, and you guys definitely let us know. I think I've gotten a couple comments in the past, and this has been a video I've been meaning to do for a long time, and I'm glad to now be doing it because, yeah, some people aren't nice when they, like, not on my videos, but when I look at other videos, some people really go in on these makers and they're like, you're going way too fast, you shouldn't do tutorials at all. And that, like, that really kills the maker spirit. I don't know, but that's just me though. That would like totally hurt my feelings. But okay, so that is the end of today's little mini, I guess, kind of techie video. I'm gonna put this under the channel chats because it's not one of my normal tutorial things. If you enjoyed this or if you found it helpful, please thumbs up my video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. It helps YouTube to recommend my videos more often. Don't forget to check out my other social media for announcements, pattern releases, potential giveaways. I don't know, I might feel spontaneous later in the month or later in the year, who knows. Wait, it's still February. Anyway, until next time guys, happy making.